Them niggas was 20 just 10 seconds ago, right? And then I looked up and now them niggas triplets. Get on over here. The fuck, boy, them niggas, y'all niggas is hell. Motherfucking shit.
But I ain't gonna lie though.
How the fuck you coming here just
So,
like the goddamn
you got a
night,
movie?
bro?
Y'all shooting a movie today? Cause this nigga your stunt double, right? You doing the shit? Beast Mode Production.
I'm Jackie Chan, bro. No stunt.
I'm Jackie Chan.
No stunt. You hella scoundrel, bro.
It's all good amount for
He ain't got it today. You making him nervous. Them cameras is boy.
You feel me? That nigga leading the league in tackles. That nigga leads the league in tackles for the Modesto Warriors.
For the Modesto Warriors.
That's how he lost his tooth. That nigga face mask fell off and he tried to go with his tackle head up. With his mouth open.
With his mouth open?
Yeah.
Hey man, so, show us the gap, man.
Tell him what happened. Game 6. That nigga had 16 tackles that game. And lost this shit.
Hey, that ain't even no gap though. It's a missing tooth right there, bro.
Tell him why mom's tripping.
Mom's tripping because the nigga with a gap is holding my shoulder. And my teeth nice, so I don't want to be protective on my mouth.
Hey, tell us.
So I'm going to lose my shit, keep talking to your ass.
Tell us what happened though, bud.
So this what happened, right? My nigga was leading the league in tackles. Modesto Warriors, they was playing the Sacramento Lakers, you feel me? And he was leading the motherfucking league in tackles. He went up for a tackle, and the nigga tooth fell out when he tackled a nigga named Marcus Beverly.
Marcus Beverly?
Yeah, he ran that nigga over, and now he out the league. Now he trying to be a comedian. So I'm put him on the show tonight.
You got who?
I got Tommy Davis Jr. with me.
Tommy Davidson Jr. Jr.
Hey, but tell them the new league you in. Tell them the new league you in, because you hooping now, right, with them shoes. It's an outside league. Look at this league. It's an outside league, and they hoop outside all games every day. And he wear them shoes every time, so they been lucky shoe. He got a game tonight. That nigga went for 30 in them last night. That nigga crossed Hook Mitchell nephew and them motherfuckers. At Mosswood. Look like he in my city. In my city. I'm in your city.
That shit, bro. Who just put that on?
That nigga look like before. Get the mic. Go get the mic. My nigga finna perform.
You need what you looking for, boy.
Nigga talking about niggas roasting? Alright. Niggas roasting? Hey. Niggas roasting? Okay. That's hella funny, bro. That nigga's already hit the mall. I was